Do you ever get this pop-up when you're trying to play a game or two with the boys? Well, worry not. In today's video, we'll go over a few options or steps on the way you can fix this issue. This works with anything, so PC, consoles, phone, doesn't matter. But before we start, a little giveaway announcement. Yes, we'll be doing a giveaway this month of December. It is that time of the year of giving, and we shall give. On 29th this month, you'll be getting whatever you wish/want from the item shop, whether it be a 4,000 V-Bucks item or 800. Please let it be 800. Things you gotta do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment that you've done all of these steps so we know and we'll get to verify. And of course, use the creator code Soda Drinker in the item shop. We'll be choosing a winner on 28th by spinning the wheel, so I wish you all the best. Let's get right into the video. Alrighty guys, so here we're on the desktop. This is Windows 11. This also works on Windows 10, so it's pretty much all the same steps, same codes. First thing we're gonna do is go onto our search bar and type in CMD. We're gonna right click it and run it as an administrator. This is very important. You cannot skip this part. You cannot just simply click on it. You have to run it as an admin. And once you do, here instead of seeing your username, you'll see system32. What we're gonna do right now is pretty much just type in ipconfig/flush. Whoop, that wasn't a /flush DNS. We're gonna press enter. So if you see this message, successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, that means everything went good. We're gonna go ahead and write in ipconfig again, /register DNS. Let me just move my mouse. There you go. Press enter. This Windows IP configuration should pop up, and afterwards we're gonna go ahead and write in ipconfig/release. So once we've done this, as you guys can notice, we've disconnected from the internet, but don't worry, all you have to do is pretty much restart your computer and your internet will be back on. But there is one more step we gotta do before we restart our computer, and that is type in another command, which is gonna be netsh winsock reset. After that, you'll get this message: successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the rest. That's it pretty much. Now we're gonna go ahead and restart our computer. See you guys in a bit. The reason we're doing all of this is because our daily internet usage causes our computer and other devices to cache IP addresses automatically, and these codes cleared or flushed that cache memory that's been collected over time. And as you guys can see, we are back. The internet is back on just because we restarted our computer. But keep in mind, I'm using the Ethernet cable from my router to my PC, so it's all gonna be automatic. But if you're using Wi-Fi, make sure to click on this button right here where the little network is, and there should be a Wi-Fi option right here. If you don't see it, you can click on this little cogwheel right here and going to network and internet, and right here you're going to be seeing Wi-Fi. So just click there and connect back to your Wi-Fi. Next big step for both the PC and console users that will fix the issue 80% of the time, if and only if the issue is client-sided, meaning it comes from you, not Epic Games, is to get a full reset on your internet router. There are two ways of doing this. The first way is you can reset your router directly if you're connected to it via the cable. You can pretty much do it on your browser by typing in your IP address in the search bar. To find out your IP, simply just go to the search again, type in CMD. This time do not run it as an admin, you don't have to, and just write in ipconfig altogether. And what you want to do is copy this default gateway. That will be your IP to access your router. You want to copy these numbers with the dots, open your internet browser, and simply type it in here. That way you'll get to access a page that will require a username and password. By default, it's admin, and the password is admin as well, or the name of your internet provider in both fields in some cases, like in mine as well. But this is not safe because you could seriously mess up your router if you don't know what you're doing. So the safest, which is our second option, would be to simply restart your router via the button. And will also work for console users, phone users, Nintendo, doesn't matter as long as you're connected to your Wi-Fi with that device. Simply just walk up to your router. There should be a button there. If there isn't, just Google your router and find out a guide on how to restart that specific model. Although it's going to be a button saying reset in 90% of the cases. And while you're restarting your router, you won't have your internet for like 2 minutes or so, depending on which router you have. What you want to do during that time is obviously quit Fortnite and pretty much just restart your computer just to be sure, or any other device that you're having issues with Fortnite on. And that should be it. You should be able to get into the game just like I could after doing these steps without any issues. However, if you still can't, that means the issue is server-sided, meaning it's Epic Games servers not working properly, being overloaded, and so on. This can happen due to influx of people trying to play or queue in the same time. You usually see it with the big events, and in that case you cannot do much other than just keep trying to queue for a game. Really spam it. Nothing else fixes it, at least nothing in your control.